Hello students. As promised, we're doing a word problem using our systems of equations to solve it. So let's look at our problem and let's work it out together. Systems of equations word problem. Find the numbers whose sum is 15 if twice the first number minus the second number equals 6. Okay, so let's look at what we have here that we can use. Find the numbers. So we're going to be looking for two numbers whose sum, meaning we need to add them together, add those two numbers together, is 15. If twice the first number minus the second number equals 6. So this part will give us one equation, and this part will give us our second equation. So there's two numbers we're looking for. So let's let A be our first number. And let's let B equal our second number. Okay, so the two numbers whose sum is 15. So this plus this will equal 15, right? So I'm just going to come right over here and say A plus B equal 15. So A and B equal 15. All right, so that's my first equation. But I can't solve for A or B from this equation because I need to know one or the other of those. Well, by using a system of equations, then I can cancel out one of my unknowns and solve for the other one. So let's look at the second part. If twice the first number, okay, twice the first number, that's going to be 2 times A, or 2A, right? Twice the first number minus the second number equals 6. All right then, we have two equations. Now we have two unknowns. If I have two unknowns, I need two equations. If I had three unknowns, I would need three equations. One unknown, I can just use one equation and solve for it. Okay, so let's solve this little buddy. Here's my system right here. I have a positive B and a negative B that are going to cancel each other out. So they are out of there. Now I can solve for my unknown A. A and 2A, 1A and 2A, that's going to give me 3A, and 15 and 6 are going to add up to 21. So now I have my one unknown that I'm solving for. To get rid of the 3, it's related to my variable or my unknown A by multiplying. To get rid of it, I will divide and cross it out. But anything I do on one side of the equal sign, I must jump over and also divide by 3 on the other side. So now I know that A equals 21 divided by 3, or 7. So if I know what A is, I can find what B is. A plus B equal 15. Well, A plus B equal 15. Well, I know that A is 7. I don't know B, but I know that 7 plus B equal 15. So I just solve that as a normal, regular, one-step equation. To get rid of 7, do the opposite of what it is. It's a positive 7. If I take 7 away, I can make it go away. But anything I do on one side of the equal sign, I must go to the other side and also do that exact same thing. So I have B isolated now, and 15 minus 7 tell me that B equals 8. So A equals 7, B equals 8. The sum is 15, that's correct. You can check the second one. 2 times 7, 14. 14 minus 8 gives me 7. So it's going to, equals 6. So we see it is going to work in both equations. We have solved for our A and we've solved for our B by writing equations that will work from these words. We put a number sentences for word sentences. It worked fine. We'll do another one next time. See you next time.